hotels through your Via portal. From your homepage, click Hotels, provide the destination, the check-in date, and the checkout date. Provide also the rooms required. You can search as much as 5 rooms and has a capacity of 5 adults and 3 kids. Click Search Flights. The next page will provide you the available property and hotels in your preferred destination and check-in and checkout date. You can filter the result through type, like business hotel, resort, homestay, city hotels, airport, and so forth. Price range, stars, amenities, location, or a specific name of the hotel. You can also arrange the hotel based on the stars, hotel name from A to Z, TripAdvisor ratings from 1 star to 5 stars, recommendation, as well as price, from the most pricey one to the cheapest one. You can also sort or filter the result by using maps to find out the nearest hotel in your destination. Click Select Rooms and choose the room you like, a standard, deluxe, and so forth. Click Book Room. The next page will ask you for the guest's details. Make sure to provide the correct details of your guests. Provide special service request should your passenger needs one. For instance, late checkout, late check-in, smoking preferences, bed type, early check-in, or pets. Now please be advised that special service request is subject to the property approval. Provide the mobile number. You also need to provide the email address. The terms and conditions. Now, if you would like to know or if the passenger would like to know the cancellation policy, just simply click cancellation policy. This property, for instance, is 100% refundable if cancellation is done before May 18, 2018. Click proceed to booking. The next page will ask you to verify and double check and make sure everything is correct. If there's something needs to be corrected, click edit details. Otherwise, click proceed to payment. And the next page will ask you to pay the ticket, or I mean the reservation, the deposit or credit card. Now make sure the credit card is issued in the Philippines. Via Philippines accept Visa, MasterCard, and JCB. Right after you confirm the reservation or once you have enough balance, just simply click pay. Then right after that, print the ticket or the voucher of your guests.